Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading, and that is going to be a collective reading, and we are going to see what your person is feeling versus what you are feeling. Okay, this reading is going to be for the next 48 hours. Okay, so this is a general love reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, let's start. Let's see what your person will be feeling like and what you will be feeling like in the next 48 hours. So yeah, first we will start with your person's feeling. I'll just keep this aside and let's pull out some cards for your person's feelings. Your person is going to feel like. So this is basically next 48 hours you versus them video. So just let's see what your person will be feeling like in the next 48 hours. Justice. You might be dealing with a Libra, 5 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, 2 of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and the High Priestess. So you might also be dealing with the Virgo. Okay, let's see what you will be feeling like in the next 48 hours. Your feelings in the next 48 hours. Your feelings, what you will be feeling like. 10 of Cups, you might be dealing with a water sign, or you are a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, another water sign, 8 of Cups. Page of Pentacles, you might be dealing with a Capricorn, and the Star, and Aquarius, or you might be Aquarius. Okay, yeah. So let's first focus on your person's feeling. I'm just getting these vibes that your person wants to balance out things. They want to make things right, but the thing is they're struggling with something. Maybe something is pressurizing them. Maybe they are feeling a little burdened. Maybe they are not being able to take that decision, not being able to stand for this relationship. So your person wants to balance out things with this High Priestess and Justice. They want to bring, peace and harmony into this connection, into this situation. But the opposite is happening, like things are getting out of control for this person. They are not being able to control things. With this 5 of Wands, I'm also seeing your person might also be pressurized or feeling a little, bounded by some people. Maybe some people are interfering into this relationship, or maybe trying to brainwash your person. So your person will be feeling quite stuck. It will be it is also possible that your person is feeling stuck in his or her own thoughts. They're not being able to decide what to do. So they want to bring justice to this relationship and want to just balance out things. With this High Priestess, I also feel your person is going through a lot of spiritual awakening. They are, their feelings are coming to the surface. Their inner feelings, their utmost insecurities, their emotions, their feelings, the depth of their feelings they are experiencing. They are going to experience in the next 48 hours with this High Priestess. Okay, they are going to enlighten. They are going to come to realizations with this High Priestess. Okay, with this 2 of Swords and 5 of Wands, I'm definitely seeing there is some form of pressure, or some form of maybe their own thoughts. They're conflicted, torn into different directions, is what I'm feeling with your person. In next 48 hours, they will experience two different energies of wanting to be with you and not being able to. Okay, so this is what your person will be feeling or experiencing in the next 48 hours. I'm also seeing your person will come to some sort of realizations. They will understand things like they will realize things. Okay, maybe universe is wanting them to go through all this because there needs to be a lot of realization that needs to be done to your person's path. Okay, I'm also seeing they are coming out of this conflict with this Two of Swords. Maybe they were feeling conflicted in the past, and they will be coming out of the conflict in the near future. They will realize things, they will take this decision, they will be made to stand on this crossroad to make some decisions that will be quite helpful for both of yours future. Okay, so they will decide something, is what I'm feeling. Your person is going to decide something. They are going to feel a lot of energies, like they are going to be experiencing a lot of intense and overwhelmed feelings. When we look at your side, with this 10 of cups, you want completion, you feel you want to have a happy family, you want everything with this person. You are quite focused on this person and wanting a future with this person. I'm also seeing you two experiencing two different energies, like you want this person to be with you, you want completion, you want to marry this person, you want a fulfilling relationship with this person. But with this 8 of cups, what I'm seeing here is you might even be so tired and so exhausted with the overall things that are going in your connection, that you will feel as if this person has abandoned you, they have left you in the cold, they're not giving you any clarity, because I'm sensing this on their path. They too are facing a lot of distress when it comes to this relationship, but they are not being able to express that because you both might not be talking to each other. But you are with this with the star card, the Aquarian energy, what I'm feeling here is you are quite hopeful, but because things are not going further, you might even start walking on your own path. You might even be taking your own road. Okay, yeah, feeling depressed, distressed, not quite happy with the current scenario, and walking away from the situation, maybe feeling a little depressed and sad about the whole situation, or moving on, like emotionally giving up. With this Page of Pentacles, I'm also seeing you might be dealing with a Capricorn, a young Capricorn maybe, or you are yourself a Capricorn. Okay, and what I'm seeing here is you, even if you are on these extremities when it comes to your emotions, you still have hope and you still have your eyes on this person. You haven't still forgotten them. Okay, you are not over this person, you still want them in your life, you want to have things with them, and you are keeping your eye on them. You don't want to miss this person, you don't want to lose this person. You have your eyes on this, set on this person, like you're moving on your path, you're doing your own things, but somewhere deep inside you want fulfilling relationship with this person. You are hopeful about this relationship. It is also possible that the person you are dealing with is quite famous, they are in the public eye, they are quite famous personality, or maybe you see this person as someone you have always wished for, or a wish has come true, or a star, or someone who is out of league or out of reach. Okay, so you have eyes on this person in the next 48 hours. Let's clarify some things. Why is justice here? Why is justice here? What is this justice about? Yeah, Four of Swords. I think your person wants to come out of this hurt. They want to bring you out of this hurt, this uncertainty, the feeling of not going anywhere, want to move things further with you. So that is why they are feeling so hurt, and they want to bring justice. They don't want to hurt you anymore. Okay, why is this Five of Wands here? What is this about? What is this Five of Wands about? Yeah, Five of Swords, Five of Wands. I am also seeing with this Five of Swords, clarifying the Five of Wands, someone is trying to pin them down. It might be some other person in their life, or maybe another situation, or maybe someone is brainwashing, trying to pin them down, not allowing them to come back to you. So someone is definitely trying to pin them down. Okay, they want to come back, they want to start and give this relationship a chance. But what if someone is sabotaging your relationship, someone is interfering in the relationship, Five of Swords is definitely interference, external interference, or maybe it is their own thoughts, their self-sabotaging this relationship. It is also quite possible. Okay, why is this Two of Swords here? What is this Two of Swords about in this connection on their part? What is this Two of Swords? Three of Pentacles. I told you they will come up with some sort of decision. Maybe they were torn between two people, two situations, and they want to invest into this relationship. They want to work on this relationship with this Three of Pentacles. They want to bring balance. They want to bring, love and affection and attention to this relationship. Okay, what is this High Priestess about? Please clarify a little bit more about this High Priestess on this person's side for the next 48 hours. Yeah, Princess of Cups, fulfillment, emotional fulfillment, want to bring their love, want to offer their cup of love to you with this Princess of Cups. They want to offer every bit of love they have for you with this Princess of Cups. Okay, what is this Ace of Cups on the viewer's part? What is this Ace of Cups? Why, like, being so hopeful and so happy about this relationship? Why is this Eight of Cups energy here in this reading? What is this about? Please clarify me. Yeah, I feel you feel lost without this person. You want every part of this person to be with you. You want this person. You badly want this person. You want success with this person. You want victory with this person. Yeah, that is why. Because they are not, either they are not coming back, or maybe they are not allowing you to, and this is stressing you out. Okay, this is stressing you out. You are going to feel this in the next 48 hours. What is this Page of Pentacles about? Please clarify me. Why is the Page of Pentacles in the viewers spread? What is this about? Two of Wands. Yeah, I think because this person is maybe dealing with someone else, or maybe they are still conflicted with two people, or maybe two situations. You have your eyes on this person because you want you want control over the situation. You don't want to lose this person. Yeah, definitely you love this person a lot, and that is why you don't want to lose this person, and so you have your eyes focused on this person. Let's see what advice do we have from the Power of Love activation. What advice do we have for the viewer? What advice do we have? Please give us some advice for the viewer. Empathy. You feel and understand the emotions of another in the service of love. I think you need to show more empathy towards yourself too. You are being too harsh on yourself. You are feeling abandoned, lost, and left out by this person. You are showing empathy maybe to the other people in your life, but what about you? You need to be more empathetic and understanding to your feelings too. You can't be too harsh on yourself. Okay, so you just need to be more empathetic towards yourself. Yeah, one more advice for the viewer. What advice do we have for the next 48 hours for the viewer? Don't be harsh on yourself. You are being too harsh. You are like seeing the negative and you are not seeing what is possible. You are seeing things that are impossible. I think this is for your advice. The Star card is here for your advice. You have to be hopeful. You don't need to lose hope. Priorities. Okay, we have priorities. You understand the paramount importance and of manifesting love. Yeah, I think you must prioritize people and things in your life, your emotions, like what needs to be pinned down first. You are not prioritizing yourself. You are not prioritizing what you want. Your needs to be prioritized. All you think is about this person. What about you yourself? You have to understand you need to love yourself first. You need to understand that you need to be hopeful and just leave it to the universe. Everything is going to fall in place after, in the end everything is going to be okay. You don't need to stress out about anything. So okay, so let's see from our handwritten messages, what messages do we have for you? What messages do we have for the viewer for the next 48 hours? What messages do we have? What messages do we have? Pregnancy, maybe good news is coming. Maybe this was your husband, ex-husband or ex-wife. They are coming back and they are coming with the good news. Maybe you are going to have this good news. Not so early like in 48 hours, but definitely it might be coming. So we have this card over here. Earth sign, maybe you are earth sign, I told you. Maybe you are earth sign or a Capricorn specifically, or dealing with the Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Stalker, maybe you're stalking your person. I told you with this Page of Pentacles too, you are stalking or your person is stalking you. Okay, you want action. Maybe their initials start with A, D, H, P, I, S, Z, F, O, B, or your initials start with any of those. Okay, and the last one is misunderstanding. Maybe you both were having misunderstandings in the past, and that is going to clear now with this Justice and this High Priestess. Some things are going to come into light. So this was it for your next 48 hours reading, and I hope you like this reading. If you did, please hit the like button. I am Pooja from India, and yes, see you next video.